Good morning, folks. We're back at Pop's Auto Electric in Fern Park. Today we got this Cadillac that owner concerns about water getting inside the car, right through the middle, right here, and on the side. Very simple, very easy to check. There's nothing you can do to seal this sunroof. The sunroof is always going to leak inside the system. But the sunroof assembly has 4 drains, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, that will drain that water outside the car. And it shouldn't let the water go inside the car. Come to find out, the drains were clogged up. We're going to unclog them, and we're going to send Mr. Johnson home happy. Hey, we're back. Check it out. One drain hole right here completely clogged up. And another drain plug here completely clogged up. That's what we need to do, of course. Don't try to do this at home. It should be done by a trained professional. We'll get that done and we're good. Woo! Sorry. I told you. Alright, so now we're gonna look underneath the vehicle. Wasn't very smart. But we're done. Alright. Very cool. My job here is done. Look at the water. We close it. Every now and again we open the trunk and clean it up. Because these are water channels right here. So that water is also going to go inside the vehicle if it doesn't channel up properly. Very simple. It's 5 minutes. Get it cleaned up. Gotcha. Alright guys. Bob's Auto Electric, 100 Obrien Road, Fern Park, 407-857-8579. Thank you. Good day.